Welcome to Cryoni JMS tutorial. In this video, let's see how reviewer completes the review in Cryoni JMS. So if the editorial user assigns a reviewer to review the manuscript, the reviewer would have got email notification regarding the review request. So from there, the reviewer can log into the system to complete the review. So for now, I'm logging in as a reviewer, entering the email ID, entering the OTP. Once the OTP is entered, the reviewer is having their ORCID account. They can link their ORCID account to the Cryoni JMS portal for future login. For now, I'm skipping this step. This is the interface for the reviewer. So for the particular journal, the reviewers tab will be divided into two. One is pending and another one is the completed section. In the pending section, all the pending invites for the reviewer will be showing here. And under the completed section, the completed review with the recommendation what the reviewer has submitted will be showing here. So now, let's view the recently invited review. Go back to the action, view the invite. The first step is the request for review. Here, the basic details of the submission will be shown to the reviewer, such as journal title, article title, abstract, and what is the review type, whether it's double blind or single blind. All the details will be showing here with the response and review due date. Here, there are two options for the reviewer, whether to accept the invite or decline the invite. If the reviewer wants to decline the invite, they can click on decline review request, enter the details, and decline the request. So for now, I'm accepting this invite. So I'm clicking on accept review and next. So the next step is the reviewer guidelines. Here the guidelines set by the journal manager will be showing to the reviewer. So the reviewer can review the guidelines and start their review process. The third step is download and review. So this is a very important step. Here is where the reviewer downloads the manuscript and starts the review process. So you can see here under the review files, the manuscript sent for review will be showing. So from the action section, the reviewer can download the manuscript and start their review process. In addition to that, there is an option for pre-review, peer review discussion as well. So this is more like a chat option where if the reviewer has any clarification or queries needs to be clarified from the editorial office, they can have a chat session with the editorial team here. So here the author will not be involved. This discussion section is only for the clarification and real-time communication. It's not advised the reviewer can submit the review recommendation in the discussion section. For submitting the review recommendation, there is a separate option, that is make decision. So now let's see how once the review process is completed and how the reviewer is going to submit their recommendation. For submitting the recommendation, the reviewer needs to click on make decision and then the reviewer needs to upload the review form. So the review form will be shown here. This review form is given by the editorial team. So the reviewer can download the review form and fill all the necessary information and re-upload it here. And if there is any additional file, the reviewer can add it. And here comes the most important section, that is the review comments to the author. Here, the reviewer can decide whether to accept the manuscript or decline or any revision as needed. So, under this recommendation section, there is an option shown. So, let's say for example, for this manuscript, the reviewer is requesting a revision needed. So, clicking on this recommendation and adding the comments to the author, what kind of a revision is needed. And next is the reviewer confidential comments to the editor. So once all the details are filled by the reviewer, and they can submit the review. Now the review is successfully submitted and the reviewer can download their certificate here. You can see here the review certificate is downloaded. There is a dashboard option for the reviewer as well. Once clicked on the dashboard, the reviewer can get all the metrics like how many it is in the pending, how many reviews are accepted, and how many is completed. With all the submission metrics can be get from the dashboard option. So this is how the reviewer completes the review in the Crayoni JMS system. Thank you.